A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun or noun phrase. Pronouns refer to either a noun that has already been mentioned or to a noun that does not need to be named specifically. Definition of a pronoun. A pronoun is defined as a word that is used instead of a noun or a noun phrase, according to the Cambridge Dictionary. Types of pronouns with examples. I am going home today evening. Personal pronoun, subject pronoun. Her aunt will be vacating next week. Possessive pronoun, she is the girl I was talking to you about. Personal pronoun. This is the place where I found my missing bag. Relative pronoun, did you do it yourself? Personal pronoun, intensive pronoun. It was a time when I was so happy. Relative pronoun, we always help each other out. Reciproc, has everyone completed the work that was assigned for today? Indefinite pronoun, that dog down the street is his. Possessive pronoun. All my friends are coming home for my parents' 25th wedding anniversary celebration. Possessive pronoun. Types of pronouns. Pronouns can be classified into different types based on their functions. Given below are the various types of pronouns. Go through the examples carefully to have a clear understanding of each type of pronoun and its function. Relative pronouns are pronouns that are used to relate one part of the sentence to another. Some examples of relative pronouns are that, which, where, when, why, whom, and whose. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that are used to show possession. Some examples of possessive pronouns are mine, yours, hers, theirs, and it. Reflexive pronouns are pronouns that are used to refer back to the subject in the sentence. Some examples of reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, herself, himself, oneself, itself, ourselves, themselves, and yourselves. Demonstrative pronouns are pronouns that are used to point to specific objects. Some examples of demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. Interrogative pronouns are pronouns that are used to ask questions. Some examples of interrogative pronouns are who, what, when, why, and where. Indefinite pronouns are pronouns that do not refer to any particular person, place, or thing. Some examples of indefinite pronouns are someone, somebody, somewhere, something, anyone, anybody, anywhere, anything, no one, nobody, nowhere, everyone, everybody, everywhere, everything, each, none, few, and many. Personal pronouns are simple pronouns that are used to substitute proper names. Some examples of personal pronouns are I, you, he, she, we, they, him, her, he, she, us, and them. Subject pronouns are pronouns that perform the action in a sentence. Some examples of subject pronouns are I, you, we, she, it, they, and one. Object pronouns are pronouns that receive the action in a sentence. Some examples of object pronouns are me, us, him, her, and them. Reciprocal pronouns are pronouns that are used to express a mutual relationship. Some examples of reciprocal pronouns are each other and one another. Intensive pronouns are the same as reflexive pronouns, with the only difference being that you can remove the intensive pronoun from the sentence, and the sentence would still make sense.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.